Good morning, ninth class students. Today we will learn edit the document, means making changes in an existing document is called editing. It involves inserting or deleting a line, inserting a page, copying or moving text, etc. Let's learn all these by doing practical on system. Inserting text. Sometimes we want to insert new text between the existing text. In that case, click at the place where we want to insert the new text in our document. The cursor will start blinking at the selected position. Now enter the desired text only, and the text will start appearing in between the text as the word automatically moves the existing text to create the space for the new text. Inserting a line, blank line. To insert a blank line, between two existing line, place the cursor at the end of the line after which we want to insert a blank line and press enter key. The line gets shifted and a blank line is inserted. Inserting a blank page. Click on Insert tab. Then under the page group, blank page option is available. Click on blank page. The new page will be inserted. Means where we have placed the cursor, after that cursor the new page will be inserted. Next is selecting text. Sometimes we want to perform some operations on specific characters, words, sentences, paragraphs, or a block of text only. To do this, it is required to select that part of document. The text can be selected using keyboard or mouse. With the help of keyboard or mouse, we can select with the help of mouse. To select a single word, double click on the word. To select a line, click in front of the line, keeping the pointer in the left margin. The whole line will be selected. A paragraph. Click the left mouse button thrice anywhere in the paragraph. The complete paragraph is selected here. A sentence. Click the left mouse button on the sentence while holding the control key. Means hold down control key and press left mouse. The complete sentence is selected here, we can see. Selecting text using a keyboard. Single character to the right of the cursor position. To the right of the cursor position, shift plus right arrow. The single character will be selected. Single character to the left of the cursor position, shift plus left arrow. Single character is selected. Single word to the right of the cursor position. Single word. Control plus shift plus right arrow. Control plus shift plus right arrow. And single word to the left of the cursor position, control plus shift plus left arrow. Selection from the current position to the end of line. Suppose you are at the starting of the line, then hold down shift key, then press enter key. If you are at the end of the line and you want to select the complete line, then shift plus home key. Selection from the current position to the end of paragraph. Shift plus control plus down arrow. And selection from the current position to the beginning of the paragraph, shift plus control plus up arrow. And select to the entire document, control plus A. the whole document will be selected. Selecting non-consecutive items. To select non-consecutive items, click on any word, then hold down Control key and use the mouse to select the next text. Repeat as often as needed. Through it we can select consecutive text. We can select non-consecutive text. Selecting vertical block of text. Just hold down the Alt key while we drag our selection. Yes, select a particular area, then hold down Control key, then drag it. Various text. Yes, we can select the text in vertical block. Now we will learn deleting, copying and moving text. Deleting text. Deleting a character. Place the cursor to the right of the character to delete and press the backspace key. And place the cursor to the left of the character to delete and press the delete key. Through it we can delete the single character by using backspace or delete key. Deleting a word. Place the cursor to the right of the word to delete and press Control plus backspace key. We can delete the complete word. And place the cursor to the left of the word to delete and press the Control plus delete key. Deleting a block of text. For this we have to select the text. Select the text to be erased and press backspace or delete key. When we press backspace or delete key, the selected text will be deleted. Undo and redo. Undo is used to cancel a command given earlier. Redo is used to reverse the action of undo. Means to undo an action, click on undo button on the quick access toolbar, and to redo an action, click on redo button on the quick access toolbar. Yes. It is our quick access toolbar. Moving and copying text. The three commands cut, copy and paste will be the most used commands in Microsoft Word. They let us easily move text and images around inside a document, and there are several ways to apply them. Hence, select the text, go to Home tab, Clipboard, Group is available, click on Paste option. The selected text will be pasted anywhere. To cut, if we want to change the position of our text, then if we want to move the text, then instead of copy, now after selecting the text, we will click on cut. That selected text will be will be moved anywhere where we want to place it. Yes, another way is select the text, then hold down the Control key and drag the text. That is the another way to copy the text. Means select text, then hold down Control key and drag the selected text anywhere. Means at the desired position, at the desired location where we want to paste it. Control plus C is shortcut key is used to copy, Control plus V is used to paste, and Control X is used to cut, and Control V is used to paste. Another is finding some text in a lengthy document at different places can be very simple. Click on find option under the editing group. Yes, which text we want to find, we are searching, type the text in the navigation bar and we can see the selected text. Replacing text means not only we can find text but can also replace it with some other text quickly. From the home tab, click on replace in the editing group to open find and replace dialog box. In the find word box, type the text that we want to search for, and in the replace with box, type the new text. Click on find next and then do one of the following. Click on replace button to change the highlighted word, or click on replace all to make changes in the at all the occurs in one go. And go to is used. Option allows us to send the insertion pointer to a specific page or line, or to the location of a number or document. Means click on go to page number. I typed here 3. Right now I am on the 3rd page of the document, and when we write here 1, we will be at the typed page. Means on which page we want to move quickly, we'll type the page number under the go to option. Line, on which specific line we want to visit, enter the line number. We will be at the desired line. Next is checking spelling and grammar. While typing the document in Microsoft Word, spelling mistakes are bound to occur, which leads to an error-prone documentation. To handle this problem, Word provides a spell check tool which automatically checks the words typed in the document and marks the misspelled word with the help of its built-in dictionary. Yes, right click on the text appears with red underline. The suggestions will be available and we can replace the text with the suggestions. And another way we have under the proofing group. Means in the review tab under proofing group, click on spelling and grammar options, and the selected words suggestions are available here. We can ignore, we can add it in our dictionary, and we can make changes here. We can change a particular word, or we can change all the we can change the word at every place where we have inserted it in the document. Next is suppose I want to know the synonyms of insert. Then click on research option at the right hand side. Under the research pane, all the suggestions will be available and we can change it with the desired word. When we click here research, the suggestions will be available under the suggestions pane. So students, today we have learned editing document. In next session we will learn format the document. Thank you students.